This exercise I'm going to demonstrate is going to be a dynamic hip flexor stretch with a hip hinge. So this can be done on a bench, or we can build up blocks to lower the bench down a little bit if the hip flexor stretch is too much. So the back foot is going to be raised up on the bench. We're actually going to move our leg out a little further than 90 degrees. From here, since we're already flexed at the hips, we're just going to sit back. And as we sit back, we're going to feel a stretch and contraction of the hamstrings on the forward leg. Come back through, we'll feel a stretch on the hip flexor, and we're going to move back and forth between these two positions.